You know, trading can be exciting, but let's be honest, not everyone has the time, patience, or skill to sit there glued to the charts, analyzing candles and making split second decisions. And even if you do have the time, it's not always easy to be consistent. That's where copy trading comes in. Basically, letting the pros do the heavy lifting while you just sit and copy their trades automatically. And BitMart's new Copy Trading 2.0 feature takes that idea and gives it a serious upgrade. Now here you can see the new page that is added on BitMart. That is we have the first we have the AI hub, and within that we have the Copy Trading 2.0. Here you can see the master ROI ranking, kind of like a leaderboard of people who are generating the most profits. And if you go down there, we can actually see a list of traders, their name, their profit sharing, the type of trades that they make, the strategy that they deploy. Um, you can see everything and of course, the profits that they are generating. So you can look through different traders. You can look at which trader is trading with different cryptocurrencies. So of course you would want to go with the one that you're interested in, and you have different parameters to decide. You can take a look at the leaderboard for the 24 hours, for 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, so you can see which one is more consistent, which one is generating the most profit, which one has better risk management, and all that stuff. Once you narrow down your trader that you want to copy, you simply go ahead and start copying their trades. I'll give you guys the overview of how you can do that, how you can get started. But this is what it looks like, which I think is pretty easy. Even if for people who are new, they can take a look at these stats and they can decide for themselves who they're more interested in. And they can also diversify their strategies here, which again, I'm going to talk about more in detail. You can see the profit sharing, which ranges between about 10 to about 30%. I think 30% is maximum. And the average is about 10%, which is the profit that you share with the trader that you copy. And they only earn through you if you profit. If they don't generate profit, they earn nothing. So it's kind of like a built-in incentive program for them. So this is an overview of the top master rankings where you can find the best trader, the suitable trader for you. Imagine that you find a trader who has been consistently, who have been consistently profitable, who keep risk under control, and who also, has the kind of strategy that you like. Now, instead of trying to guess what they'll do next, you can set your account to follow them. Every trade that they make, you make. No delays, no second guessing. And the best part here is that your money stays in your account at all times. The trader can't touch it. They can only execute trades on your behalf. If at any point that you want to stop copying, you just hit the exit button and you're out. So you have complete and absolute control. And BitMart has built this around transparency. You can see each trader's win rate, their drawdowns, their trading frequency, even which coins that they trade the most. So you get their full historical track record. So you're not going in blind. You can filter their rankings depending on what you care about the most. Maybe you want high yield, maybe you want stability, or you just want to follow the traders that everyone else seems to be copying. So it's all right here in the leaderboard. Now, one thing that I like is that it's not just a pick a trader and hope for the best situation. You can diversify. You follow multiple traders, at the same time, you mix different strategies, and you keep a balance between aggressive and conservative approaches. The system even lets you rebalance as you go. So if someone starts underperforming, you can shift your funds to another trader without missing a beat. For beginners, BitMart's AI onboarding is actually super helpful. The approval for becoming a master trader, that's what they call the pros you follow, which is fully automated and it takes about, I think, 28 seconds. And if you're on the other side, which means that you are a skilled trader yourself, you can apply to become a master. and you start sharing your strategies and you start, earning profit from your followers. Now, the beauty here is that masters only get paid when you make money. If you lose, they get nothing. So there's a built-in incentive for them to be, to be responsible. If you talk about profit sharing, the fees are usually between 10 and 30%, which we just saw. And these profits are settled daily, not weekly, not monthly, daily. That means that you don't have to wait forever to actually access your earnings. And because of the high watermark rule, they only take fees on the profits that exceed your previous best account balance. So if you have a rough day and then bounce back, you're not paying fees twice on the same gains. Now let's talk about risk management, because that's where a lot of people trip up in trading. BitMart has built in stop loss and take profit settings, so you can decide in advance how much you're willing to risk and when to lock in profits. There are also drawdown protection, which means that if your account balance drops a certain percentage from its highest point, the system will automatically stop copying that trader to protect your funds. And everything is in real time. If your trader opens a position, it hits your account within milliseconds. And there's built-in slippage control to make sure you're getting the best possible execution price. Getting started is actually really straightforward. You go into the AI hub, you click on copy trading, as we can see, and you can browse the traders. As you can see, there are different rankings, like in terms of yield, stability, popularity, even how much capital they personally have invested. Once you find someone that you like, you check their stats, you look for steady growth, you look for low drawdowns, and also, of course, you want someone who has a decent number of followers. You can even see their preferred trading styles, like whether they're into scalping, swing trading, or holding longer term. And when you're ready to follow, you just set your copy parameters. That includes the amount that you want to allocate, your stop loss, your take profit, if you want one, of course, and your drawdown limit. You can start small, of course, as little as 10 USDT, and then you scale up once you get comfortable. And then that's it. Every time the trader makes a move, you make the same move. I actually think this feature works for two very different types of people. First, we have those who are brand new to trading and who just want to get exposure without risking, rookie mistakes. And second, we have experienced traders who are either too busy to actively trade or who want to diversify their own strategies by piggybacking on other successful traders. So if you're curious about becoming a master trader yourself, the process is just as easy. You set up your profile, you decide your profit sharing rate, and once you're approved, which by the way it takes less than half a minute, you can start building your follower base. And over time, if you perform well, you can grow your influence, you can increase your profit share, and even turn this into a serious stream of income alongside your regular trading. So overall, what I like about BitMart's Copy Trading 2.0 is that it's transparent, it's flexible, and it's fast. So you're not locked in, you're not handing out your funds over to someone else, and the traders that you follow are directly motivated to help you succeed. Of course, it's still trading, so there's always risk, but with the built-in protection, real-time execution, and the ability to diversify across multiple strategies, it feels like they've addressed a lot of the pitfalls that comes with copy trading on other platforms. So if you want to check it out yourself, I have dropped the link that will be in the description. So whether you're looking to trade smarter, save time, or learn by watching the pros in action, I think Copy Trading 2.0 by BitMart might be worth exploring. So if you're interested, make sure that you check the links in the description. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.